is it still 1,500 for a top end on the 450? I mean, if you took your 450 to a dealership, and paid a tech $150 an hour, and they replaced absolutely everything, every wear part that they come up with, then yeah, maybe. I used to do my 450 top ends myself in my garage, and I would do them for less than $200. I would get a Cometic top end gasket kit, which was usually like, I don't know, between 50 and 75 bucks. And then I would get a piston kit from ProX, which was usually, 120 bucks. And that's it. Now I was getting, pretty much dealer cost on everything. So if you're paying retail, you might be closer to 300 bucks. But yeah, if you're doing it yourself, it's actually not much more different than a two-stroke. Until you get way, way, way down the line, you start wearing out valves and heads and stuff like that. But yeah, it was super affordable for me.